The Ford Model T is one of the most important automobiles ever built. Introduced in 1908, it changed transportation forever and became the car that put the world on wheels. Before the Model T arrived, automobiles were expensive luxury items that only wealthy people could afford. Ford had a different vision. The company wanted to create a reliable, practical, and affordable vehicle for ordinary families, farmers, and workers. That vision turned into reality with the legendary Ford Model T. When you first look at the Ford Model T today, its design appears simple and classic. The tall body, large wheels, exposed fenders, and upright seating position reflect the engineering style of the early 20th century. However, beneath its straightforward appearance was a revolutionary automobile that transformed the automotive industry. The Model T was available in several body styles, including touring cars, roadsters, coupes, and pickup versions, allowing customers to choose a vehicle that suited their needs. The technology of the Ford Model T was advanced for its time. It featured a 2.9-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing approximately 20 horsepower. While that number may seem small by modern standards, it was enough to propel the lightweight vehicle to a top speed of around 40 to 45 miles per hour. The engine was designed for durability and simplicity, making maintenance easier for owners in an era when professional repair services were limited. One of the most remarkable innovations associated with the Model T was Ford's moving assembly line. Introduced in 1913, the assembly line dramatically reduced production time and manufacturing costs. As a result, Ford could lower the price of the Model T while increasing output. This manufacturing breakthrough not only revolutionized the automobile industry but also influenced factories around the world. Practicality was one of the Ford Model T's greatest strengths. The vehicle was built to handle rough roads and challenging conditions. Its high ground clearance made it suitable for rural areas where paved roads were uncommon. Farmers often used the Model T for transportation, hauling supplies, and even powering agricultural equipment through various attachments. Its rugged construction and simple mechanical design earned the trust of millions of owners. Driving the Ford Model T was very different from driving a modern car. Instead of the familiar accelerator, brake, and clutch pedal arrangement, the Model T used a unique system of controls. Drivers needed to learn a special operating method, but once mastered, the car proved dependable and easy to maintain. Its simplicity helped countless first-time motorists experience personal transportation for the first time. In terms of performance, the Model T was not built for speed but for reliability and accessibility. It delivered enough power for everyday travel while offering impressive fuel efficiency for its era. The lightweight construction contributed to its practical performance, and the vehicle's durability allowed many examples to remain operational for decades. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Ford Model T is its price history. When production began in 1908, the Model T cost approximately $850. Thanks to the efficiency of Ford's assembly line, the price gradually decreased over the years. By the 1920s, some versions could be purchased for less than $300, making automobile ownership possible for millions of Americans. Adjusted for inflation, that affordability remains one of the greatest achievements in automotive history. More than 15 million Ford Model T vehicles were produced between 1908 and 1927, making it one of the best-selling automobiles of all time. Its influence can still be seen in modern manufacturing techniques and affordable vehicle production strategies. The Ford Model T was more than just a car. It was a symbol of innovation, progress, and freedom. It transformed the way people traveled, worked, and lived, leaving a legacy that continues to inspire the automotive world today. Thanks for watching Advance Auto Review. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic and modern car reviews. See you in the next video.